Hi there, this is a review of the Logitech K760 Bluetooth keyboard for Apple devices, which I recorded for the NCBI Technology podcast in August 2013. You can find this podcast each month at www.ncbi.ie/technologypodcast. Enjoy! Hi, Dave Nason here with a quick demo of the Logitech K760 wireless keyboard for Apple devices. It's a Bluetooth keyboard that will work with your Mac, iPad, iPhone, iPod Touch and Apple TV. In terms of its dimensions, it's very thin and light and portable. Quite similar in fact to the Apple wireless keyboard, if you're familiar with that. It is slightly deeper, maybe an inch deeper, because it has a solar panel along the top. If you're skeptical about the fact that it's solar powered, I was a little too, but actually there's no need to be. It's really good. I've had no problems in the roughly a month that I've owned it. It's always remained charged, so I'm really pleased with that. The keyboard layout is the same as the Apple keyboard, although there is a on-off switch in the top right corner. I find that this is a step up from the Apple keyboard, which has a button on the side of it, so I prefer to have the on-off switch. It's very nice to type on as well. Its keys are nicely spaced out and that, so I'm very pleased with the keyboard in that kind of sense. The standout feature though of this keyboard is the fact that it can pair with 3 devices at the same time and switch very quickly between the 3. So I'll show you how that works now. I'll start with the iPad.
Slide to unlock. Dock. Settings.
And go to settings.
Settings. Mobile data. Bluetooth. On. Button.
And
Selected.
Bluetooth.
Bluetooth. On.
Now there is a small round button on the underside of the keyboard, so I need to press that followed by the F1 key. I now go to my iPad and find the keyboard.
Nokia 300. Now discover. No. Logitech K760. Not paired. Button. Logitech K760. Connecting. Set keyboard. Set key. Logitech K760. Connected. Button.
And as you can hear, I'm connected.
Home. Screen locked.
And now go to the iPhone.
2350. Slide to unlock. Settings.
And settings.
Settings. Wi-Fi. Off. Bluetooth. On. Bluetooth. Settings. Back button.
And this time I'm going to press that button on the underside of the keyboard followed by F2.
Date. Jambox button. Logitech K760. Not paired. Button.
Again, selected on the phone.
Logitech K760. Connecting. Logitech K760. Connected. Button.
And again, connected.
Settings. Screen locked.
And we'll now go to the Apple TV.
In settings.
And
General.
open
Button.
settings.
1 of 7.
General.
Bluetooth. Bluetooth. Button.
And go to
6 of 16.
Bluetooth. And this time
Bluetooth.
we will
Searching.
press the
Button.
F3
1.
key
In devices. Keyboard.
and select the keyboard.
Bluetooth device connected. 1 of 1. Keyboard. Logitech K760. Connected. Button.
And
2 of
as you can
2.
hear, that is now connected.
In general. Bluetooth.
So I
Button.
can now control
6 of
the Apple
16.
TV with my Bluetooth keyboard. So I can press the escape key to go back through the menus.
In settings. In main menu.
And back to the
Settings.
main menu.
Button.
Use the arrow
4 of
keys
4.
to get around.
Music. Movies. Netflix. Button.
And so
1 of
on.
14.
Now if I want to switch to my iPad, all I have to do is press
Slide to
the F1 key. So here, press F1.
Calendar. Saturday the 6th of July. Contacts.
And
No.
straight away I'm
Not
controlling the iPad
Photography folder. 3 apps.
with my Bluetooth keyboard. If I want to switch to the iPhone then,
Screen locked. Slide to unlock.
press the F2 key.
Phone. Settings. Contacts. iTunes. App Store. Capital A. iTunes. Contacts. Settings. Settings.
And as you can hear, I am in control of my iPhone with the Bluetooth keyboard.
Home. Settings. Screen locked.
And then if I want to go back to the Apple TV, just press F3.
Bluetooth device connected. 1 of 1.
And there we are, and we're back on the
MLB
Apple TV.
Button.
So
2
it's
of 14.
that simple. Once you've paired these devices once, all you have to do from that point onwards is press F1, F2 or F3 to select whichever of the 3 devices you want. So it's much easier than turning Bluetooth on and off on devices or unpairing and pairing again and that kind of thing. So I've been really happy with this. If you want to connect to more than one device, I can't recommend this keyboard enough. I've been really pleased with it. Personally, I found it on Amazon for £69 sterling. I'm sure you can find it elsewhere as well. Again, it's called the Logitech K760, K760 for Apple devices. If you have any questions about this or would like to follow me on Twitter, please do. I'm at DavidNason1. That's at DAVIDN for November, ASON1. Thanks a million. All the best.